I presented a copy of the Section 204.
The case against alleged gang leader Ralph Stanfield and 14 co-accused was back at the Cape Town Magistrates Court on Monday. While Stanfield, his wife Nicole Johnson and others appeared via video link, 6 co-accused were present. Stanfield is facing a total of 16 counts, including gang-related offences under the Prevention of Organised Crime Act and murder related to the death of Rashid Stagi in 2019. Among his co-accused are those involved in 4 additional murders, including that of former city official Wendy Kloppers in 2023. The last time they appeared, former City of Cape Town Mako member Malusi Boy was among them, but the corruption charges have provisionally been withdrawn as new evidence required further investigation, which the MPA says they hope will be concluded by the time the trial begins in the High Court.
It's progressing nicely. We are hoping and working towards ensuring that when we go for the pre-trial, those accused are added to the docket. But we cannot comment further than that because it's an ongoing investigation and anything can happen. But our prayer is for it to be finalized before we go to the pre-trial conference in November so that we can add those accused. You'll remember all those charges that relate to all the economic charges that we preferred against these accused, including the tender of the City of Cape Town. So the charges that this 15 is facing relates to Boka being members of a gang and abetting and the activities of a gang, murder, attempted murder, illegal possession of firearm and ammunition, robbery, and so on. So we hope that when that investigation is finalized, all those economic charges will be added into this docket, and everyone else will go to court at the High Court.
Meanwhile, outside, supporters held placards calling for the accused's release.
I think that it's a personal vendetta that the state has against this family. Given, look, they're business people actually, and taking them out of removing them from society, putting them into captivity, what for? They were locked up for 2 years almost. 16 cases was withdrawn from the fraud cases. So why were they in jail? Why were they in prison for 2 years then? I don't know if that makes sense.
Yeah, I mean, the other charges that they're facing is murder, attempted murder, gang-related activities. Are you not saying that these are serious problems in South Africa?
And these are all allegations. So the state is suggesting that Mr. Stanfield is a murderer, a money launderer, a thief, and all of these. It's knowing Mr. Stanfield, I've grown up in front of them, and this is not it's not in their character. So it's defamation. It's like they're wanting the society to have a different opinion of who these people. They're portraying them as monsters, which they're not.
The case has been transferred to the Western Cape High Court and will convene for the pre-trial conference on the 7th of November. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Vaylen Kirtley in Cape Town.